What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. As you see, I'm here with another iPhone. Now, this is not mine. This is my wife's iPhone. She's currently upgrading from the iPhone 13 to the iPhone 16 Pro. I have the Pro Max, and this is her first time going to the Pro line of the iPhone. So let's take a look at it. Quick look here. This is natural titanium. Let's go ahead and pull this here. Look how simple it is to unbox iPhones now. So you have personally one of my favorite colors in the line. I wasn't feeling desert. I don't know what is it called, desert gold. I feel that natural titanium is the best color. Black, people like black, but my previous iPhone, the iPhone 14 Pro, was black, and to me black is kind of mute and kind of boring. So I wanted to have something that really pops and looks elegant. So, and looks premium at that. So we have the 14, I mean, not the 14, the 16 Pro here, 16.3 in, 16.3, 6.3 inch screen. And I believe my wife is coming from, I think, what, 5.5 or 5.6. So, yep, there we go, guys. It's not going to be a detailed unboxing, whatever, because I already have an unboxing of the 16 Pro Max. I just wanted to do this for my wife. I love how the cameras look against this color. Again, you have your power button, your dedicated camera button, your action button, and your up and down volume. At the bottom, USB-C, which for me and her is the first, so it's very good for me, especially if I want to do photography. I can hook up a small, external hard drive to it and pull it from there. So that's pretty nice. And I love the feel of the titanium around the phone. What else comes in the box? Your USB threaded cable, which I think is the best material Apple has come out with. As you know, in the past, that cheap plastic one that they use, eventually over time it would blacken and it would start ripping on the base of the power on the cord, and we don't have to worry about that anymore. And again, no Apple sticker. Hopefully with an outcry Apple will bring back the Apple stickers, but yeah, the iconic Apple sticker is gone. That is it for the iPhone 16 Pro unboxing. More videos to come. Comment down below again if you've got the phone, if you're waiting for the 17, 18, 19, 20, comment down below. Like this video, subscribe, peace out.